We're gonna start with 2 cans of cream of chicken soup. Here's the first can. Pop that baby in there. That was good. Help get that out of there.
Those sounds, they just really do something.
They really
for you.
do something for me, to me. And we're gonna do 1 cup of whole milk. So I'm gonna do half of this. This is a pint. 1 pint makes 2 cups. A little bit more. A little bit more. Yeah, there we go. All right, so then we're gonna whisk this together before we mix in our other ingredients. That's whisked up pretty good.
Yeah, it looks good.
Nice and creamy. All right, so now we're gonna add our other quote unquote dry ingredients. So we got 2 cups of some chicken that I chopped up.
Take boy.
Get that mixed in there. And then about 6 pieces of bacon that I chopped up in there. And then one more thing before I start stirring that. We got 1 tablespoon, that's right, a tablespoon of minced
Holy.
garlic. Now it's
Keeping you healthy.
Yeah, it's gonna mix through there. Garlic is great. It's a anti-inflammatory. Tastes great. Gives you a great breath.
Repels vampires.
That too. We got the bacon and the chicken and the liquid in there. All right, on to our next part. We're gonna mix in 9 ounces of fettuccine. I got this already like a pre-cooked kind to just save me a little bit of time in the kitchen.
Yeah.
If y'all want to do that, you can. If you don't, that's cool too. Just kind of mix that in there. So yeah, I got that just about mixed in there. Like I said, these are the fettuccine. Some get like egg noodles. I guess fettuccine is an egg noodle, right? I mean, I know there's like egg in it. Is there a difference between fettuccine and egg noodles? You don't know? It's just the shape. Okay. All right, then we got some frozen corn. We're gonna put 1.5 cups. That's right, people. We're not done. This is quite a rich casserole. Mix that frozen corn in. 1.5 cups of it. Got that pretty good and mixed in there. All right, now we're gonna add a cup of sharp cheddar cheese, which is half of this bag. We're just gonna pinch it right there. Give it a nice pinch. That's what my friends from growing up from Lumberton, they always said pinch.
Just get you
They
pinched.
say, don't pinch me.
Pinch?
Stop pinching me.
How do you say it?
Pinch.
It's not pinch?
For some people it's pinch, you know, and that's cool. I grew up saying pinch, you know.
Do you say stench or stench?
I say stench. Do you say stir or steer?
Stir.
Do you say syrup or syrup?
Syrup.
Okay. All right, so we got this pretty good and mixed up in there. We're going to put it in our 13x9 casserole container here.
It's a thick boy.
Yeah, this is definitely a lot of flavors going on, a lot of moving parts. All right, so smooth that over. Get it nice and even in there. We've greased this container, by the way, y'all. Always got to remember to grease it. And then for our last one, we're going to sprinkle some French fried onions over the top. What's a good casserole without some French fried onions?
Give it a nice little crunch.
Yeah, just a nice little dusting on top. That's looking pretty good. All right, let's take this over to the oven. We got it set at 350.
Okay.
We're gonna put it in there for 30 minutes.
Okay.
30 minutes, y'all, and we'll come back, see what's going on. All right, let's take a look. The ultimate chicken casserole.
Dang.
It smells really good. Okay, so we gotta just let this cool for about 5 to 10 minutes. Give it a try. All right, Charles, let's give this thing
Let's see how this thing crumbles.
give it a little look. It's got a nice little crispy top.
smells really good.
Let's see here. Noodles cooked pretty good. It's actually pretty good.
Amen.
Mm-hmm.